Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we take one batter every week and make a delicious, scrumptious muffin because we love muffins. Hey guys, welcome to Muffins Galore. It's another fabulous day that we are making muffins. And today we are making a traditional banana muffin. But it's not going to be normal because we don't do normal over here. Normal is boring. So we are making banana muffin topped with a peanut butter spread and crumble. And that's our muffin for the day. So here we go. Okay, guys, so let's get started. So today we have, this is a vegan banana muffin with peanut butter spread and crumb. So here we are with our sugar, and just to let you know, the recipe is in the direction box. The full recipe is there for your convenience. So this is our sugar that we have here. And we are just making sure that it's all broken up. And this is our oil. And I am using avocado oil today. You want to make sure this is all, the sugar is mixed out and combined well. You don't want to be eating your muffin and there are grains of sugar. You're biting on grains of sugar at all. That's not so kosher if you if you ask me. So we'll just combine this well. And then we're going to add our smashed banana. Here's the banana that I'm going to add in. So guys, I decided to go with a traditional muffin today because I had these bananas left over and I really didn't want to have to throw them out or anything like that. So I decided that, you know what, I'm going to make a traditional muffin today, and of course add some extra because you know I'm a little extra. So this is why. And here we are. So now I am going to add our milk to this. And we're adding coconut yogurt to this. But I'm going to add the coconut yogurt after I've added the flour. There's a method to my there's a method to my madness. So all right. So guys, here is our flour, and I'm just gonna add this a little at a time. It has the baking powder in there already. I already prep everything because I'm like that. And just add in this carefully here. You know, baking don't have to be hard. Baking is pretty easy. I mean, I've been doing it for a long time, so it's like second nature to me, but it's not hard at all. Compared to other things, oh my goodness, this is dirt easy. Compared to a lot of things out there that I can't do, this is easy. There's a lot of things that I can't do. Hair is one. Cannot do hair to save my life. No kind of hairstyle. I'm just terrible at hair. Terrible, terrible. All right, so put everything neatly away. All right, and we will fold this in nicely. So as I said, this is a vegan muffin. All right, so we're just gonna add some delicious cinnamon to this because it's gotta have flavor. What is your muffin without flavor? That's just no, 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 no. Okay, so here we go now, guys. We are gonna add the flax egg. And this is when I add the flax egg. I add the flax egg and I fold it in to the batter. Because if you just add it to the milk, see when I pour the milk in, if I just add it to the milk, it wouldn't be flax egg, it would just be flaxseed and some milk. You lose that gelatinized feel that helps the egg. And now I'm adding, guys, I'm adding the coconut yogurt to this now. Here it is, coconut yogurt. And then I add this to it. And I'm going to add some mixed essence that will give it some really good flavor. This is mixed essence. Yes. And then we are just going to mix this in now. All right, here we go. And our muffin, our banana muffin is basically mixed. And that's how easy it is to make a traditional banana muffin. So now, guys, now we're going to do some embellishment. Okay, guys, so I have my muffin tin ready, and now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I do this. So okay, so then we get our peanut butter, and we are just going to put a little dollop on top. It tells you in the description how you do it. You want to put it on top there. On top there. Right on top. Okay. It's on right. And And it tells you exactly how to do this. And then you're going to take your crumble here and you're going to sprinkle the crumble on top. Yeah. You're just going to sprinkle the crumble all over the top of the muffin. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put this to bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and then I'll show you the end product.